In this video, you'll learn how to make the inverter's AC cable terminals. Separate the AC power connector plug from its cable protective cover. Thread the AC cable through the AC connector in sequence. Strip off the outer insulation layer of the AC cable by about 41 millimeters. Strip off the inner cable by approximately 12 to 13 millimeters. Insert the exposed wires into insulated cord end terminals. Then crimp the insulated cord end terminals. Unscrew the 3 screws on the AC connector. Insert the cord end terminals onto the connector. Then tighten the screws. Press firmly until you hear an audible click, confirming the connector is securely locked. Then assemble the AC connector and tighten it. Unscrew the screw on the AC connector. Remove the AC terminal protector. Push firmly until you hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Then tighten the screw on the AC connector. Finally, use the cable ties to secure and tighten the AC cable.